Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw lines in Autocad using feet and inches. This is an essential skill for architectural drawings, construction plans, interior layouts in any project that requires accurate imperial measurements. First, you need to set up the correct units in Autocad. Go to the command line and type units, or simply UN, then press Enter. This opens the Drawing Units window where you can configure how measurements are displayed in your project. Since we're working with feet and inches, set the unit type to Engineering. This format is designed specifically for imperial measurements and makes entering feet and inches much easier. For insertion scale, choose inches to maintain proper scaling and compatibility with most architectural drawings. Once everything looks correct, click OK to save the settings. Now let's test the setup by drawing a line. Start the line command and enter a value like 20. Because the drawing is set to inches, Autocad interprets this as 20 inches. If you use the dist command to measure the line, you'll notice it equals 1 foot in 8 inches, since 12 inches make 1 foot with 8 inches remaining. Next, let's draw a line using both feet and inches together. Start another line and type 10. The apostrophe symbol represents feet, while the number after it represents inches. Press Enter and Autocad creates a line exactly 1 foot 10 inches. To confirm accuracy, use the dist command again and measure the line. You'll see the correct imperial measurement displayed. This method allows you to work quickly and precisely without manually converting values between feet and inches. Understanding how to use imperial units efficiently can greatly improve your drafting workflow and reduce measurement mistakes in professional projects. Thanks for watching and happy drafting with Autocad. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.